In I'm going to discuss today about properties of water. So today we are going to discuss about water. So as you know, water, the chemical formula of water is H2O, that is two atoms of hydrogen with one atom of oxygen. Now the three phases of water are ice, liquid, and vapor or gas. So ice is solid phase, of course. So water can easily transfer from one phase to another phase. How does it happen? You ask me. It happens, for example, if I heat ice, that is, I put ice cubes in a, say, in a beaker and warm it up. The ice will of course melt. It will melt and transition or change to liquid phase and transition to liquid phase. Liquid phase or water. If I heat up water, if I warm water in a saucepan, we all know the water, liquid water will escape as vapor, okay, or water will transition into the gaseous phase. Now in the solid phase, H2, two atoms of hydrogen bond with oxygen, one atom of oxygen. So two atoms of hydrogen, one atom of oxygen. They bond together to form a lattice structure. Lattice means cube. Okay, cube structure. So that's why, because the hydrogen atoms are bound to the oxygen atom, two hydrogen atoms with one oxygen atom, these water molecules lose their kinetic energy. Okay, lose their kinetic energy and they're stuck together inside a lattice or a cube structure. When we heat up water, what happens is the bond between consecutive waters or adjacent water molecules, they break, and water molecules gain kinetic energy and they start flowing. Okay. Now we all heard about melting point. Melting point of ice is 32F. Okay. This is where ice will transition into water. Then we have boiling point of water. Which is 212 Fahrenheit. This is where water, when it is boiled, it will escape or transition into the gaseous phase. Okay, and then it goes into vapor phase. Okay. So again, ice is a solid phase, liquid is water, and then when heated at 212 degree Fahrenheit, water will transform into the vapor phase or transition into the vapor phase or gaseous phase. Okay, so as we all know, water is very important for survival of human beings and plant life. So water from earth surface escapes as vapor with sun's heat and moves into the clouds, from where it comes down as rain. The other important characteristic of water is that water is a good solvent. Water is a good solvent. That means it dissolves many substances. Many substances. Okay, so to summarize, there are three phases of water: solid, liquid, and gas. Vapor phase: liquid is water, liquid water. Solid is ice. And we transition, water transitions from one phase to another phase by, say, heat. For example, if I heat up ice, it will melt. Vice versa. If I remove heat from water, liquid water, it will solidify. Okay. So if I heat ice, it will melt and transition to liquid phase of water. In solid phase, hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen bond with one atom of oxygen to form a lattice structure. What is a lattice structure, you ask? It's a cube. So melting point of ice, as we know, is 32 degree F. Boiling point of water is 212 F, where liquid water will escape into the vapor phase. So these are all transition point. Melting point of ice is a transition point from solid to liquid. Boiling point is a transition point from liquid water to vapor phase. So water is very important for survival of human beings and plants. Water escapes from Earth's surface as vapor with sun's heat and moves into the clouds, from where it comes down as rain. And water is a good solvent. It dissolves many substances. So I will stop here today. If you have any comment, please write me a comment. I'll reply your comment as soon as possible. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. That motivates me to produce more important and useful videos just for you. Okay. And if you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And please do not forget to click on the notify button, because that way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.